Throughout history, humans have been on an unending quest to amplify their physical abilities. From the humble wheel to the roaring steam engine, we've tirelessly crafted tools to shatter our physical boundaries. These groundbreaking inventions have reshaped our world, propelling progress and expanding the horizons of what's possible. Each innovation has sparked profound societal shifts, transforming the very fabric of our lives and work. Our drive to transcend limitations is a testament to our boundless ingenuity and relentless spirit. The Industrial Revolution stands as a powerful symbol of this human drive. Machines with superhuman strength became the norm, forever altering the nature of labor. Factories buzzed with the energy of tireless engines, mass-producing goods and transforming economies. The impact was undeniable, ushering in an era of unprecedented productivity and economic growth. Yet even as we celebrated these advancements, we began to see the profound impact they had on the workforce and the very nature of work itself. In 2025, we stand at the brink of a revolutionary era, one defined not by physical might but by the sheer power of the mind. Artificial intelligence, in its myriad forms, has transcended the realm of science fiction to become our new reality. It is here, it is tangible, and it is revolutionizing our world in ways we are just beginning to grasp. Just as we once harnessed steam and electricity to magnify our physical capabilities, we are now on the verge of amplifying our cognitive abilities. This is not just a step forward in technology, it is a seismic shift in how we interact with the world around us. We are no longer merely crafting tools to perform tasks. We are creating entities that can learn, adapt, and even make decisions on their own. This new generation of AI, with its unparalleled ability to process information, identify patterns, and generate insights at lightning speed, has the potential to reshape our world more profoundly than any previous technological revolution. This is not an exaggeration, this is the dawn of a new age, one where the limits of human potential are being redefined. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang has boldly proclaimed that AI is the biggest technology force of our time. He envisions a future where AI will permeate every aspect of our lives, driving a multi-trillion-dollar revolution. This is not a future confined to Silicon Valley. It is a global phenomenon. From the bustling streets of Beijing to the research labs of London, the race to harness the power of AI is on, with nations and corporations alike vying for a leading role in this transformative era. The economic implications of AI are staggering. McKinsey Global Institute estimates that AI could potentially deliver additional global economic output of $13 trillion per year by 2030. This growth will not be confined to a few tech giants. It will touch every sector, from healthcare and finance to manufacturing and retail. The companies that will thrive in this new landscape will be those that embrace AI, not as a replacement for human ingenuity, but as a powerful tool to augment it. We are entering the age of agentic AI, a time when AI evolves from passive tools to active agents. These AI agents, imbued with a degree of autonomy and the ability to learn and adapt, will become our collaborators, our advisors, and even our competitors. This new dynamic will reshape the very fabric of our businesses and our lives, demanding a fundamental reassessment of our roles, our skills, and even our identities in an AI-powered world. Imagine a world where AI agents negotiate on your behalf, manage your investments, and even personalize your healthcare. This is not a distant fantasy, it is the rapidly approaching reality. Agentic AI will free us from the mundane, allowing us to focus on tasks that require creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence, the uniquely human qualities that will become even more valuable in this new era. Section 5. The transformation of work from automation to augmentation. The integration of artificial intelligence into the workplace is already underway, automating routine tasks and streamlining complex processes. However, the fear of mass job displacement, while understandable, misses the bigger picture. Just as previous technological revolutions disrupted industries and redefined job roles, AI will not so much eliminate jobs as it will transform them. The real opportunity lies not in automation, but in augmentation, using AI to enhance human capabilities and create entirely new professions we can only begin to imagine. Imagine doctors using AI to diagnose diseases with greater accuracy, architects collaborating with AI to design more sustainable buildings, or teachers leveraging AI to personalize education for every student. This is the promise of AI augmentation, a future where human and artificial intelligence work in synergy, each amplifying the strengths of the other. This is not simply about efficiency, it is about unlocking human potential on a scale never before seen. Section 6: Physical AI: Reshaping Industries and Redefining Possibilities. The impact of AI extends beyond the digital realm, with physical AI poised to revolutionize industries like transportation and healthcare. Self-driving cars, once a futuristic concept, are rapidly becoming a reality, promising to transform our cities, reduce traffic accidents, and redefine personal mobility. In healthcare, surgical robots are assisting surgeons with greater precision, while AI-powered diagnostic tools are enabling earlier and more accurate disease detection. The convergence of AI with robotics, sensors, and other advanced technologies is creating a new generation of intelligent machines, capable of operating in the physical world with remarkable autonomy. This is not just about convenience, it is about improving safety, efficiency, and accessibility across a wide range of industries. From automated factories to precision agriculture, physical AI has the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. Section 7: The Unseen Impact: AI's Hidden Economies. Beyond the headlines and the hype, AI is quietly revolutionizing areas often overlooked. In disaster response, AI-powered drones are being used to survey damage, locate survivors, and deliver aid with greater speed and precision. In travel, AI is personalizing itineraries, optimizing logistics, and enhancing the traveler experience. And in sustainability, AI is being deployed to monitor deforestation, track endangered species, and optimize energy consumption. These hidden economies of AI are a testament to its vast potential to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more creative and impactful applications emerge in areas critical to our collective well-being. The true measure of AI's success will not be solely in economic terms, but in its ability to create a more sustainable, equitable, and prosperous future for all. Section 8: Navigating the Ethical Crossroads. As with any transformative technology, the rise of AI presents us with profound ethical challenges. Issues of job displacement, algorithmic bias, data privacy, and the potential for misuse must be addressed thoughtfully and proactively. We must ensure that AI is developed and deployed in a manner that benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. This requires a global conversation, one that includes policymakers, industry leaders, ethicists, and the public at large. The future of AI is not predetermined, it is a future we must actively shape. We must establish ethical frameworks, promote responsible innovation, and ensure that AI is aligned with our shared values. This is not a task for technologists alone, it is a collective responsibility that demands our attention and our action. Section 9: A future of promise or peril. As we stand at this pivotal juncture, the question is not whether AI will transform our world, but how. Will it usher in an era of unprecedented prosperity, unlocking new possibilities and solving some of humanity's greatest challenges? Or will it exacerbate existing inequalities, displace workers, and create new forms of risk? The answer, to a large extent, lies in our hands. The choices we make today, the investments we prioritize, the regulations we put in place, and the ethical considerations we embrace will determine the trajectory of AI and its impact on our collective future. Will AI be remembered as humanity's greatest invention or its most profound disruption? The answer is yet to be written, but one thing is certain: the future is ours to shape. Together, we hold the power to harness AI for the greater good, to build a world where technology serves humanity, and to navigate the challenges with wisdom and foresight. The journey ahead is filled with promise and peril, but it is a journey we must embark on with courage and vision.